Hey everyone, it's me, Preeti. In my previous video, I have already told you that I'm gonna start with string concepts and I will be coding more complex questions which is based on strings, which will help you in cracking a interview based on strings. I have already covered a topic arrays, which will help you to crack a coding questions based on arrays because I have covered everything what you want. So if anybody who is trying to crack a coding round or if anybody is trying to learn to code based on arrays, please do watch that tutorial because that tutorial is more than enough for you to learn arrays and its concepts. So now coming on to strings. So I told you that I'll be coding on strings. So before coding or before you start coding a complex questions on strings, you should know several inbuilt methods which are present in string class. There are more than 30 to 40 inbuilt methods which are present in string class, but then all of them are not of high importance. But there are several inbuilt methods which are of high importance and they are used in regular basic life while coding. So I have picked up several important inbuilt methods and I'll be covering two inbuilt methods in each video so that I'll keep the video short and you will understand the concept perfectly because my main agenda is to make you understand the concept but not to by heart the concept, right? So the first thing is toChar array. So why do we use toChar array? toChar array is mainly used to convert the string to an array. So whatever I have here is a string type and it is a variable name a and hello. So if I print this, it will be directly printed as a string. So I'll pass it and I'll run the program. So it will be hello on the console. So you can see hello on the console. This is a string. But if I want to convert this to an array, the simple thing is I'll take a character array type, character C, and it is a array type is equals to a dot toChar array. So when you just give a dot, you will have several inbuilt methods popping up for you so that you can select toChar array. So when you give this toChar array, your string is now converted into an array. So you know that array cannot be printed directly. It should be traversed. So since now the string this is converted to array, you are supposed to traverse. So I'll just give for loop. So this is the way you iterate, right? You can iterate an array in several types. You can use for loop, you can use for each loop, you can also use while loop and so. Now I'm just printing this directly by iterating ch of I. So this is how you actually iterate a array, right? I've already showed you in my previous videos. I'm also explaining here once. So whatever you can see here is hello. This is printed in different lines now. It's because it is converted into an array. Now since it was string previously, everything was printed at once, right? I'm going to save this and run this. So this is how it is printed. Why do we actually need to convert the string into to array? So the main thing, the main inbuilt method here we use is toChar array. If you use a dot toChar array, it will be automatically converted into an array and you can traverse and you can print the elements. So why do you need to convert a string to an array and why do you need to traverse? I have already told you to get each element in the string, you need to convert it to a to array and you can traverse and you can get back that individual element. The same concept applies for arrays as well. So I hope you understood the inbuilt method toChar array. Now moving on to replace. Now the replace is if you want to replace h with m. So to implement this logic internally, it would take more time. I say it would take really a time or lines of 3 4 logic lines. But you have an inbuilt method called replace. When you use this replace inbuilt method, you can replace one character with another character. So let me show you how. So sy, I'll directly put this in a print statement. If you want to replace, you just give a dot. When you give a dot and you automatically get this screen, this entire screen, okay? And you have, if just give rep. So when you give just these words, there will be an algorithm, right, internally implemented, which will populate recommendations for you. So I have got this replace now. So it is, you can see here, char old array and char new character. Fine, now I'm giving this old character. I must replace h with m now. So I'll give h. Now h should be replaced by m. So it should print mellow. Okay. So I'll give m. Let me see what it has to print. Now I'll just put all of these in comments now. Now let us see how replace works. I'm going to save this code and run this. So what you can see here is mellow. So did you understand how simple it is by using an inbuilt methods of string class, right? So replace is so damn easy. It is just replacing a character by another character in just a second by using an inbuilt methods. So there are several such miracle and very good inbuilt methods which are present in string class, and I hope you people did understand about toCharArray and replace and how they're gonna actually used while implementing a code, right? So I'll be preparing more and more videos regarding the inbuilt methods until and unless I start with good programming questions, and I'll be covering at least 5 to 6 inbuilt methods which are very important in our daily life and also while coding, right? So if you did understand this video, do let me know, and if you didn't understand, also do let me know in the comments so that I will surely make and I'll surely come back in a better way and better approach to make you understand, right? Yes, if you didn't understand, please do let me know. That is my main concern. The main concern or agenda of this tutorials is to make you understand the concept, right? So thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, please do share among your friends and subscribe as well, right? So that you will be always updated on the things I upload on the YouTube. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and do let me know if you want me to tell anything in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.